नमस्कार, मैं सेल्फ डॉक्टर सुरेश जागर, assistant professor, faculty of agriculture and veterinary science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women University. Today I will discuss about major important and list of pollinators. Uh, Pollinators in the higher plants, sexual reproduction and preparation of species are about through pollination. These plants may be self-fertile or self-infertile, which require cross pollination. The good example of the dependence of the plant upon insects for pollination in Shimima fig, that is dependent on the agronid fig wasp that transfer pollen from capri fig. एक बेस्ट एग्जांपल है सिमीमा फिग, जो 100% डिपेंडिंग होता है पोलिनेशन पर एग्रोनिटिज फिग वास्प. द प्रोसेस ऑफ फर्टिलाइजिंग फिग्स with fig wasp is called capification. To aid the cross pollination of effective seed, fruits, set pollinators are required. These are different species of the pollinators that are found in the nature. The important one being honeybee. Honeybee are a major role of pollinators in plants. The practices of the rearing bee colonies for pollination service started in USA by about 1910. The number of colonies to be kept in a field for obtaining maximum yield also matter, and it is generally recommended that 5 colonies are required for 2 hectare for crop. हनी बी अगर कॉलोनी में 5 कॉलोनीज अगर 1 हेक्टेयर में 2 हेक्टेयर क्रॉस में लगाते हैं तो उसमें सबसे ज़्यादा प्रोडक्शन होता है. देन मैनेजमेंट ऑफ हनी बीज फॉर पोलिनेशन. कैसे मैनेजमेंट करते हैं? पैलेज बी हाइव वेरी नियर टू द फील्ड टू सेव बी एनर्जी. पैलेज बी हाइव in field at 10% flowering of crop. Place 2 to 3 colonies per hectare. The colonies should be full strength of bees. Then allow sufficient space for pollen and honey storage. Sufficient space होना चाहिए pollen और honey storage के लिए. Provide artificial sugar syrup and water if required. आर्टिफिशियल शुगर सिरप और वाटर देना चाहिए अगर रिक्वायर्ड है तो. देन पोलिनेशन सिंड्रोम. पोलिनेशन सिंड्रोम क्या होता है? पोलिनेशन सिंड्रोम आर suited for flower trials that have involved in response to natural selection imposed by different pollen vectors, which can be abiotic, wind and water, or biotic such as birds, bees, flies, etc. These traits include flower shape, size, color, odor, reward type and amount, nectar composition, timing of flowering act. For example, tubular red flower with copious nectar often attract birds. Full smelling flowers attract carrying flies or beetles, etc. Then two basic types of pollination exist: abiotic pollination and biotic pollination. Abiotic pollination occurs without intervention from another living organism, without intervention from another living organism. And biotic pollination occurs with the help to insect or other living creatures. Abiotic and biotic pollination may occur through different methods. Then pollination syndrome or abiotic pollination syndrome. Abiotic pollination syndrome क्या होता है? Anemophily or wind pollination refers to the process in which the wind carries pollen from one plant to another. जो हवा के द्वारा एक प्लांट से दूसरे प्लांट में pollination होता है उनको बोलते हैं अपन anemophily, without being associated to a living organism. Then second आता है इसमें हाइड्रोफिली. हाइड्रोफिली द प्रोसेस ऑफ पोलिनेशन बाय वाटर इज रेफर्ड इज हाइड्रोफिली. जो वाटर के द्वारा पोलिनेशन होता है उसको क्या बोलते हैं हम? हाइड्रोफिली. Then biotic pollination syndrome. Mostly biotic pollination is due to insects and entomophily. It is made it is mode of the pollination or transfer of pollen grains from another to stigma through the agency of insect. सबसे ज़्यादा बायोटिक पोलिनेशन में रोल होता है वो होता है इंसेक्ट का. द फ्लावर्स विच आर इंसेक्ट पोलिनेटर्स आर कॉल्ड एंटोमोफाइलस. द मोस्ट कॉमन इंसेक्ट पोलिनेटर्स आर bees, moth, flies, butterflies, wasps and beetles. Then cross pollination aided by then first is bees. Bees mostly is honey bees and bumble bees. इनको क्रॉस पोलिनेशन होता है इनमें. मेलिटोफाइली, देन हाउक मोथ, स्पाइनोफाइली, स्मॉल मोथ, फेलेनोफाइली, then flies, myophyly, butterflies, psychophyly, beetles, canthophyly, and ants, merkelophyly. Then role of pollinators. क्या रोल है पोलिनेटर्स का? Pollination refers to the transfer of another to stigma in flowers, ants, flower plants for sexual reproduction. Insect aid in cross pollination in fruits, vegetables, ornamentals, cotton, tobacco, sunflower, and many other crops. Insect pollination help in uniform seed set, improvement in quality, and increase in crop yield. And then entomophily refers to the cross pollination aided by insect pollination classes by the insect meteophyly, bees, canthophyly, beetles, etc. Then major pollinators insect is first is honeybee. Honeybee act as pollinators. All bees species aid in pollination. Value of honey bees in pollination is 15 to 20 times higher than that of the honey and wax it produce. Percent in increase in yield due to the bee pollination. Mustard 43%. हनी बी पोलिनेशन से मस्टर्ड में yield इंक्रीज होती है. मस्टर्ड में 43%, सनफ्लावर 32 to 48%, कॉटन 17 to 19%, लूसन 112%, ऑनियन 93%, एप्पल 44%, कार्डेमम 21 to 37%. Then second insect is hoverflies, surplus. Family is Serpidae, order is Diptera. Then brightly colors, flies body in strip on the banded with yellow or blue resembling bees and wasp larva stage. Predatory adult are pollinators, cross pollinated. ये किस में करती है? Carrot, cotton and pulsage. Then third is carpenter bees. Carpenter bees, robust dark bluish bees with hairy body, dormus of abdomen, where pollen basket absent. Adults are the good pollinators. Consider galleries in body and store honey and pollen. Then fourth is digger bees. Digger bees, stout, hairy pollen collecting bees and abdomen with black and blue bands. Then fig wasp. Fig wasp is Blastophaga. Blastophaga patiens. Order is Hymenoptera. Fig is pollinated by fig wasp only. There is no other mode of pollination. There are two types of fig, Capri fig and Stimigna fig. Then Capri fig. Capri fig, it is a wild type of fig, not edible. Has both male and female flowers. Pollen is produced in plantly. Natural host of fig wasp. Then Ismail fig. It is a cultivated type of fig, edible. it is only female flowers, pollen not produced. Then note the natural host of fig wasp. Then 6 is oil palm pollinating weevils. Oil palm pollinating weevils is Acadogenes communis family is Curculinidae, order is Coleoptera. Add in engage oil palm bunch weight by 35% and oil content by 20%. ये oil palm में 35% तो weight में increase करती है और 20% oil इसका increase होता है. Then other pollinators, butterflies, example Drosophila species and moth, Acherontia species, ants, flies, stingless bees and beetles. Then this is a major role of pollinators. Role of pollinators and major pollinators insect species. Mainly is honeybee. All honeybee species are important role of pollination. Major Apis cerana, Apis mellifera, Apis dorsata and Apis pleura. And honeybee is very important to lucerne. 112% increase yield, and mustard 43%, sunflower 32 to 48%, cotton 17 to 19%, and onion is 93%, apple 44%, cardamom 21 to 37%. Then honey bees, and five colonies of honey bees are required to 2 hectare crops. मेजर मैनेजमेंट ऑफ हनी बीज ऑफ पोलिनेशन कैसे मैनेजमेंट करते हैं. प्लेस बी हाइव्स वेरी नियर टू द फील्ड टू सेव बी एनर्जी. प्लेस बी हाइव इन फील्ड at 10% flowering of crop. Place 2 to 3 colonies per hectare. The colony should have full strength of bees. Allow sufficient space of pollen and honey storage. Provide artificial sugar syrup and water if required. Then this is very important of pollinators. Thank you.